In today's video, we'll be learning numbers, colors, and we'll also be discovering what's inside each treehouse door. Let's start with door number 1. Here's number 1. Do you know what color this door is?
Red.
That's right, red. And red in Spanish is rojo. Now let's see what's behind red door number 1. It's an apple. And it's the color red, just like the door. It also has a shape in the middle. Do you know what shape this is?
A circle.
That's right, a circle. Now take a look at what happens when I place the apple on top. It went through the treehouse and into this basket. I'll leave it there while we open the rest of the treehouse doors. Look, there was a small owl hiding behind the red apple. Oops, it looks like we accidentally woke it up. Owls are actually nocturnal, meaning they sleep during the day and are awake at night. I'll go ahead and close the door so it can continue sleeping. Goodbye, little owl. Now let's look for door number 2. Here it is. This is the number 2. And it's the color
Orange.
That's right, orange. Orange in Spanish is naranja. Let's take a look at what's inside orange door number 2. It's another apple. This apple is the color orange and it has 2 rectangle shapes in the middle. 1, 2. I'll place it on top of the treehouse just like I did with the previous apple. Great! We've collected 2 apples. 1, 2. And we found another small animal. This little guy has a long furry tail and 2 large teeth. Do you know what animal this is?
A squirrel.
Yes! And it seems like this little squirrel likes to eat apples. Let's go ahead and leave him alone so he can enjoy his meal. The next door is number 3. And do you know what color this door is?
Yellow.
That's right. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Let's open this door to see what's inside. It's another apple. This apple is yellow and has 3 shapes on it. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. Down the treehouse and into the basket it goes with the rest of our apples. And behind the yellow apple is another animal. It's a little bear, and it looks like it's trying to climb up the tree branch. Bears are great climbers, and I'm sure this little bear is going to climb super tall trees one day. Now let's look for the next door. After 3 comes 4. And this is the number 4. Do you know what color this is?
Blue.
Great job! And blue in Spanish is azul. Blue is actually one of my favorite colors. Now I'll open the door to see what's inside. It's a blue apple. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 diamond shapes in the middle. Let's send this blue apple together with the rest. Just look at our basket. It's almost full. But there's still room for 1 more apple. And that apple is inside door number 5. But before we do that, let me show you this little animal. It's a raccoon. It has black fur around its eyes, making it look as if it's wearing a mask. It really is an interesting little animal. See you later, little raccoon. Now, before we open door number 5, can you tell me what color it is?
Purple.
That's correct! Door number 5 is purple. Purple in Spanish is morado. Let's see inside. We found a purple apple. This apple has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Let's end this apple together with the rest. Look, it's a little fox. It's using the lower part of the tree trunk as a burrow. And it's probably waiting for its mommy, so let's close the door. Amazing! We were able to collect 5 different colored apples in our basket, which would actually be perfect for a fruit salad. Now let's play a game. Let's see if you remember which animal is hiding behind each door. Ready? Okay, do you remember which animal is hiding behind red door number 1? I'll give you a clue. This animal sleeps during the day. That's right. It's an owl. Now, which animal is hiding behind orange door number 2? I'll give you a clue. It has a long furry tail and big teeth. That's right. It's a squirrel. Surely you remember what's behind yellow door number 3. The animal behind this door is a really good climber and loves to eat honey. Okay, let's see. It's a bear. Okay, now what animal is behind blue door number 4? This little animal looks like it's wearing a mask. It's a raccoon. And last but not least, what animal is behind purple door number 5? If you said fox, you're right. Now let's close each door by color. Red, orange, yellow, blue, and purple. Great job! I had so much fun learning colors, numbers, and shapes with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you on the next one.